Unity is about Ubuntu. Unity is about working together. And today, as a family, we are celebrating Unity Day out in the field. And we are joined by Mealie Lights doing his thing, as you can see. Mike, say hi. Say hi. Say hi to everyone. And we are also joined by Panashe, my sister. Hi, Panashe.
Hi.
How are you? Yeah. Please tell us about the maize we are seeing in the background.
Oh, okay, it's fine. So this is SC608. It's medium maturity. It was planted in October and it's actually growing very well and we're excited.
Wonderful. So with 608, the beauty is it is a yellow maize medium maturity variety from Sitco. It has been tamed the firecracker because of its exceptional roasting qualities. So we have it here in the background. It will take plus or minus 110 to 115 days to reach maturity for green mealies, which is the soft dough stage or the milk dough stage. So we are very excited. It's weight free, it's insect pest damage free, and we are excited to see the returns that are going to come through from green mealies. And at Sitco, we say it starts with the right seed.